You giving him a good massage?
I am. I'm giving him a very good. I'm giving both of them good massages.
That's too soft. You need to be harder.
Here, he needs a. Okay, I'll show you.
Okay.
Look at him. Whoa. Hi. Oh. Hi. Oh. You like the massage?
Monkey's excited.
Whoa.
Which one is a female?
We found out. We found out this one's a boy.
Okay, you found that.
And he's very excitable.
I don't know why.
I don't. I can postulate.
Achievement for the day. Got the monkey excited.
That's our achievement.
Poor monkey, I understand you.
Oh, hi. They're so cute. Oh. They like hello. They like the love. They like the love.
You're so scared of them.
No, I'm not. I just like looking at them, not there. Otherwise, I don't know.
This is a female. No, this is a guy. This is a female. He's a female. The guy is jumping around.
Ooh.
Careful.
No, that's
the guy.
different.
That's the guy.
He's very excited.
The keeper just,
Look, he's upside down.
the keeper is taking some leaf. He's gonna
Yeah?
feed.
We can feed it?
No, the keeper is coming to feed
Oh,
him.
the keeper.
There you go.
Nice. Oh.
Leaf, fresh leaf. Yeah, they run over there.
Save them.
Oh, bon appetit.
It's weird. I'll save the rest for the jaguar.
Keep for better,